What you doing?
I'm cleaning out the drainage channel here. Originally I thought it was all dirt, but it actually has cement under all the dirt. But I think it's too deep, especially since once we replace the roof, we're putting eaves trough. So I'm cleaning it down to the old cement, and then I'm gonna get you to mix me some cement so that I can pour it in here and then just make a shallower channel that's going to be easier to clean, like rounded. This one's a bit pain in the you know what to clean. But check this out. The soil in this friggin' drainage thing is better quality than all of the soil on our property.
Yeah.
So I'm saving it for your garden.
Yay.
That's why I have the dustpan, so I can put it in the wheelbarrow for you.
Oh,
You're
thanks.
welcome.
Thanks, bud. You're amazing.
Well, it's really hot today. It's hot as balls today.
Yeah.
So I figured I would do something that doesn't require a lot of energy.
Oh, okay.
And yeah.
And semi in the shade.
Yeah, semi in the shade. Soon I'll be more in the shade. Like once it passes this tree here, this whole patio is pretty much in the shade. You can see how hot it is by our Malagueta. So I planted those about 5 or 6 days ago now.
Mm-hmm.
And they're still just wilting throughout the day with the heat.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, by morning they perk up a bit. And then as soon as it gets hot, they wilt. So.
Yeah.
Hot.
They need to establish some new roots.
Yeah, they do. Hi.
Hi. What you doing up there?
I'm cleaning the roof. Well, the flat part anyway. There was some plants and stuff and moss growing on it. And then along this edge here, I found like a makeshift gutter. So it's supposed to take the rainwater over this way. But it's all broken. So I'm just going to leave it because we're replacing the roof soon. But yeah, I'm cleaning. I don't know how I'm getting down though.
Well, there's a ladder.
I know, but I'm afraid of heights, remember?
Oh, right.
So you're going to have to help me when I'm ready to get down because I'm going to freak out a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Just, so you're ready for me to freak out
Okay.
later.
Well, it looks like we got our first wildfire. That right there is what started the fire. That hotness.
Gee, thanks.
There's got to be a reservoir over there where the choppers are picking up water because they're circling and then they're coming back out over here. My tracking isn't very good. See, they're picking up like right there. Pretty close to these houses, so this other chopper should be coming up over here now. Here he comes. Just picking up right over there. Oh, I can feel the water. The joy just went right over us. That's how close we are. I just felt the water from the chopper. So it's like a second wildfire way off in the distance. It's massive. This fire is close to our place.
It is close to our place.
They're pulling over. I have no idea where they are. Filming your driving.
Yeah. I gotta get home to my cats. Okay, now it's the crap road.
Why'd you gotta get home to your cats?
Because there's a fire near our house.
It's not near our house.
Okay, good. Gotta go water my cats.
You gotta go water your cats? Well, it's a big fire.
It is a big fire.
Coming up to the roundabout. Just gotta swing her wide.
Yep. That away. That is a big fire just across the valley from us. You can see the smoke just keeps going. We saw one here this morning. No, it wasn't there. It was over to the right more. That one they put out really quickly, but this one looks like it's huge. And of course the wind has picked up, so that won't help them. We could hear sirens from inside the house, so we decided to come see what was going on. I'm pretty sure that's the only fire that we can see from our place right now, which is good. It's hot and hazy. And yeah, we'll keep an eye on that one. We can smell smoke in our house now, so we came out to see why, and well, I think you can see that's why. We're surrounded by lots of smoke. And I'm sure all this wind is not helping. So it might be too bright this way to see, but there's another fire right over here. And and all down the valley. So it looks pretty intense. And you can see the smoke just creeping down through the valley.
This fire is close. Look at the smoke coming through the trees.
Yeah. I hope there's no more houses up that way. Look how far the smoke is coming down into the valley. And it's thick. So today we are reinstalling the kitchen window. So we figured out that this, the lighting's crap. Here we go. This pin here comes out at the top, and then you tilt the window forward and lift it up off of this hinge at the bottom. So now that we have the weight of the glass off of the frame, it'll be a lot easier to move it around and adjust it as we need it in order to get it level vertically. So I have my bag of tools because, you know, I could have just passed them out the window and that would have been even easier.
Would have been.
Shush you.
Peanut gallery. There we go.
You know what would have been even easier? Watching YouTube videos before we put the windows in.
Yeah, well.
Because I didn't know that that thing came out.
I never installed these type of windows, so it's all new to me. Something in there.
Do you want me to come in and help you with the window on the inside?
Maybe. I may need your help.
Oh, and of course the camera fell over. Oopsie.
So that means the whole thing's got to come back out.
Yeah. I'm making a mess.
You are a mess.
Yeah, but I'm a hot mess. Should put at least one shim under each side though, no? To bring it up a little bit, because there's quite a bit of a gap at the top.
Yeah. So the thing is, it's not, it may be level, but it's not square. That's why the window isn't sitting straight.
Right.
You know what I mean? So this end may have to go a little bit lower so the bottom doesn't hit, which would bring this end up a little bit up, right? So this end may have to go up a little bit.
I think what was happening is because when it was on an angle like this, now it has more length in the space, right? Once you straighten it, it has less space.
Sure.
So I think it was getting compressed like this way. I think it was being pushed a little bit.
Okay.
And I think that's why it was hitting and being pushed out of square. Okay, there it's level.
Okay.
Right? So if we get the bottom screwed in there,
Mm-hmm.
back it off more even. Because it's too far this way. Look on the bottom because the opening isn't completely square. There. Okay, so it's level that way. Do we have a square?
No. The only way to square it without a square is to put the glass in.
Well, that doesn't look square. But the bottom isn't attached. Looks pretty good there.
Better?
Yeah. Yes, I'm using my iPad as a square.
Mm-hmm.
But it's square, so. Still good this way. Perfect. It's not touching at all.